So something very cool launched in Notion. Uh, this is in the paid version if you have the AI component built in, but you can now ask Recording with Loom, you can now ask Notion questions about what you have in Notion. So down here, you'll see that there is this little starry star, and you get a prompt, and you can ask questions. So I could do something like write a short blog post on best practices for development teachers to create deeper learning experiences for students. And we'll see what happens. So Notion's going to search through everything that I have in my Notion, and you can already start to see that it's finding some different references from things. 8 pages found. Might be some more. Do this more often. Okay, so here I have a short little post. Student Center Reward Connected Active Learning Approaches is necessary. Yeah, that all sounds pretty good. And it's got here where it found those resources from things that I've shared or articles, lots of different stuff that I've put inside of my Notion. So if you have the AI feature in Notion, then you just got the new Q&A beta rolled out, which is pretty cool. And if you do a lot of writing, could be very cool for you.